Leader. Someone who can influence others and who has managerial authority. Leadership. Process of leading a group and influencing that group to achieve its goals. Trait theories of leadership. Theories that isolate characteristics that differentiate leaders from non-leaders. Behavioral theories of leadership. Theories that isolates behaviors that differentiate effective leaders from ineffective leaders. Autocratic style. Leader who typically tends to centralize authority, dictate work methods, make unilateral decisions, and limit employee participation. Democratic style. Leader who typically tends to involve employees in decision-making, delegates authority, encourages participation in deciding work method and goals, and uses feedback as an opt to coach employees. Democratic consultative leader. Seeks input and hears the concerns, issues, but makes the final decision by himself, herself. Democratic participative leader. Allows employees to have a say in what is decided. Laissez faire. Complete freedom to employees to make decisions and to complete their work in whatever way they see fit. Initiating structure. Extent to which a leader is likely to define and structure his, her role and those of employees in the search for goal attainment. Consideration. Extent to which a leader has job relationships characterized by mutual trust and respect for employees' ideas and feelings. Employee orientation. Emphasized interpersonal relations. Production-oriented. Emphasized the technical or last aspects of the job. Managerial grid. 2D grid for appraising leadership styles. Fielder contingency model. Effective group performance depended upon properly matching the leader's style and the AMT of control and influence in the situation. Least preferred co-worker questionnaire. Effective group performance depends on the proper match between a leader's style and the degree to which the situation allowed the leader to control and influence. Relationship-oriented. High LPC score with good personal relations with coworkers. Task-oriented. Low LPC score with productivity and getting the job. Leader-member relations. Degree of confidence, trust, and respect employees had for their leader. Task structure. degree to which job assignment were formalized and structured. Position power, degree of influence a leader has. Situational leadership theory, contingency theory that focuses on followers' readiness. Readiness, extent to which PPL have ability and willingness to accomplish a specific task. Telling, high task low relationship defines roles and tells PPL what, how, and where to do tasks. Selling, high task high relationship both directive and supportive behavior. Participating, low task and high relationship leader and followers share in decision making with leader's main role of facilitating and communicating. Delegating, low task and low relation little direction or support. Leader participation model, sequential set of rules determining how much participation a leader uses in decision making according to different situations. Path goal theory, leader's job is to assist followers in attaining their goals and to provide direction or support needed to ensure that their goals are compatible with the goals of the group. Leader-member exchange theory, leaders create in-groups and out-groups, and those in the in-group will have higher performance rating. Transactional leaders, leaders who led primarily by using social exchanges. Transformational leader, stimulates and inspires. Charismatic leader, enthusiastic, self-confident leader whose personality and actions influence others. Visionary leader, ability to create and articulate a realistic, credible, and attractive vision of the future that improves upon the present situation. Empowerment, act of increasing the decision-making discretion of workers.